programming has requested the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for central Dallas County until midnight. This is an extension of a flash flood warning for portions of southeastern Denton, northeastern Tarrant, southwestern Collin, and northwestern Dallas counties until 10. Now, for central Dallas County, heavy rainfall continues, and the flash flood warning has been extended until midnight. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.